Hello my beautiful audience, welcome back to One Me School. In this video, I will show you how to turn off Windows 10 real-time protection. So to do that, first of all, we need to scroll down and go to Windows button. Now you can go to Setting and then we'll search here Update and Security option. Then you can see here Windows Defender. Okay. Now click on the Open Windows Defender Security Center and then hit on the Virus and Threat Protection. Now click on the Virus and Threat Protection setting and you can see here real-time protection. You can see a blue checkmark button. That means it's turned on right now. So to do turn off, we should hit on the button and then click yes. So we already stopped our real-time protection. So if you want to back your protection, just hit on the button and then